This pattern has a profoundly relaxing effect and can act as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. It's particularly effective before sleep or for managing anxiety. I'd recommend this for times when all that's left to do is relax, or for times when stress and anxiety are beginning to overwhelm you. To access 478 mode, make sure that your Luma is turned on and in standby. From here, simply short press the top of Luma 3 times until you see the steady glow diffuser turn yellow, indicating 478 breath mode. Alternatively, you can press any one of the 4 touchpoint buttons on the base of Luma. All 4 buttons have the same function. Wait until you see this spinning indicator, which shows that you've selected a breathing pattern, and Luma will wait for you while you get yourself comfortable. Remember to sit up straight whilst maintaining relaxed shoulders. This will give you the space to breathe into your belly using your diaphragm. Once you're feeling ready, short press Luma 1 more time. As the light rises, breathe in through your nose. As it pulses, hold that breath, and then, as it fades away, breathing out slowly through your mouth as though blowing through a straw. Continue this pattern, focusing on the light and the sensation of your breath. Don't worry if it takes a few breaths to get into it. Stick with it and your body will start to understand that it's time to relax. After 5 minutes, Luma will automatically end the exercise and return to standby mode. If you'd like to end the exercise early, simply long press Luma until you see the reset indicator. Thanks for checking out this how-to video on using Lumacube. Don't forget to check out our other explainer videos on our YouTube channel and website.